Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and I want to show you some of these accessories we have installed on our Holman adjustable shelving unit. This is a 32-inch wide shelf, but these accessories can be used pretty much on any shelf size. First, we have here this small parts bin organizer. It comes with these 6 plastic bins that fit in this nice steel enclosure here. And look at all these dividers that you have available to put your small parts in, so your hardware, your fittings, things like that. They're all removable as well, so if you don't need that many, maybe you need some bigger ones and some smaller ones, you can easily divide these up very nicely. They also have little almost business card size label spots here, so you can label everything and keep everything in its proper place. You get 6 of these included in the kit. It's a super easy install. There's just 2 little screws that attach this to pre-existing holes on the bottom of the shelf here. The other thing we have here is a 3-drawer unit here. It's also available in 4 drawers in different sizes and all that. These are just nice heavy-duty drawers. They have the nice heavy-duty ball bearing type slides on it, so it slides very nicely. It's not going to wear out super quick. The top 2 drawers come with these little organizers. So again, you can organize your different components, hardware, supplies, whatever it is that you need to organize up there. Or you can just take them out and put down a little bit of shelf mat and keep things in here as well. They come with these little latches that keep the drawer shut when you're in transit, so these are not going to fall out. You just push it to the side and you pull it out. Nice like there. On this 3-drawer unit, these top 2 are thinner, and then you get a bigger one on the bottom. This one doesn't have the organizer in it, but it's again just a nice drawer. Again, installation of this unit is very simple as well. There's just 4 screws that attach the to the bottom of the drawer unit that go through existing holes in the shelf. So a super easy install. This is powder coated gray in the same finish as the shelf, so it looks like it just goes and belongs on this shelf. Then a nice little feature we have here are our 6-inch shelf dividers. This is a pack of 6. We only have 4 of them installed here. This is again a super easy install, but again, it just gives us some nice organization where we can keep different tool supplies, inventory, components, whatever you need for your particular trade. You can use these actually with the shelf how we have it oriented right here, where you have the 2 lips on the front and the back, or you can have the shelf flipped over and you have it flush, and you can use that almost like this shelf up here to have these dividers on there as well. Just another organizational solution to making sure that your van's work ready and ready for you out in the field. Another thing we have on this particular shelving unit is we have the Holman ProMaster City shelving mount kit, and these are just kind of engineered brackets and hardware that make installation of a shelving unit like this super simple and super easy. It comes with everything you need. Everything's pre-figured out, so you don't have to figure out where am I going to drill a hole in this van. They did all the hard work for you and just give you the bracket, the hardware, and the instructions to install it. Now, if you're looking for any of these components, the shelving, anything that you need to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.